welcome back to my channel. It's Roma here. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of W7. Now W7 is a brand that you can buy at Chemist Warehouse. It is actually made from a cosmetics company called War Paint Cosmetics, which is from the UK, and they stock this W7 in like all Chemist Warehouses, and this is the final look. It's like a nice purple kind of soft glam. I really like it. This is a full face and first impressions using nothing but W7 products. If you want to see what my thoughts are on the products, then just keep on watching. So yeah, we'll get right into the video. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. I got a receipt and the total came to $82.95. As you can see there, I bought everything from Chemist Warehouse. Taking that price into consideration, that's actually pretty great. Pretty good for a full face of makeup. And so yeah, I'm really looking forward to testing this out because you never know, we could find a new favourite. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that. And I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway soon. It's going to be mostly makeup products. Yeah, so all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and leave a comment down below. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I will be checking and I will be announcing the winner sometime in February. Hopefully Valentine's Day. It'll be like a Valentine's Day giveaway. If you want to see my full face of W7 and first impressions, then just keep on watching. I've got 3 primers here. I've got the Prime Magic Face Primer Camera Ready. It looks kind of like that Smashbox one, like it's just that silicone-y, like it's clear. That's that there. I've got this other one, which is, I've never actually seen a primer that comes in this packaging before. I think it's really cute that it comes in like a compact. Time and Glow by W7. This is the Illuminating Primer. I felt it in store. It's really nice. Like, it feels like a balm. So I'm going to be using both today. It's like silicone-y. It just smells like, yeah, just like plastic, like silicone-y. But it's nice and smoothing. Like, it feels like the Professional. So it feels really nice, and I can definitely feel it smoothing out my face. I'm now going to go in with the Prime and Glow Illuminating Primer. That's the consistency of it. So it's like a waxy kind of, it's a waxy texture. It's feeling really nice actually, like it's really nice and smooth. I hope the foundation doesn't slide off because it's not feeling tacky at all. And when I'm looking in the mirror, like my pores look like non-existent, like they look pretty blurred. Along with the eye, I got the Power Eyeshadow Primer. It's like a little squeezy tube. Just take a bit on my finger. This is just like the nude shade, okay. We're going like that, so it's nice, it's good. It's a bit liquidy. I prefer my, oh yes, it's very liquidy. Very thick as well. I prefer my eyeshadow primers to be like, not so liquidy with more like a balm, like the MAC Paint Pot. Just so it doesn't slip around so much. I find with liquidy stuff it blends out to be really sheer. That's actually not too bad though. Like, it's covered a lot of the veins. I put a lot more on this side by accident, so you actually don't need that much because it's really thick. I'm actually just going to take my beauty blender, spray it with a bit of setting spray, just like go ahead and blend it a bit. This powder called the Banana Dreams Loose Powder. I'm going to open that up. Oh, it's brand new, banana powder. I'm obsessed with the Australis one, so hopefully this is a new favourite, so it's never been opened before. I actually just dip a little bit into the lid. That's really nice. It doesn't look too like chunky, like it looks pretty nice. Go onto my eyebrows first. This is the W7 Twist and Shade. A little spoolie, so I'm going to just use the spoolie to brush these brows up. If you see me looking down here, I'm just looking into my little mirror. So it's like a little spoolie thing. And then the other end, oh, that's really thick. I actually got another brow product by W7 called the Queen of Brows. So I'm going to go ahead and just add some volume. Quite impressed. I like the volume and the kind of texture that's giving me, like brushing up those hairs. They actually look really nice. I'm having a good brow day today. I just decided to get the HD foundation. This is a 12-hour foundation, which is awesome. And it says shake well before use. This is in the shade Fresh Beige, so I'm going to actually shake it like it says. There we go. Okay. This looks like it might be a pretty good match because the other ones on this swatch were like really ashy. Yeah, this is pretty good. It's a decent match. Consistency of the foundation, it feels quite heavy and like greasy. So yeah, I think I might blend this out with a brush. I'm going to take my Morphe Y6, put a bit more into my hand because I like that full coverage. And I'm going to just like take it, I'm going to dot it all over my face. Just went and got a beauty blender and just like wet it a bit because I'm going to go in and just blend that in, push it into the skin a bit more. So the finish of this foundation is actually matte, which I really like. It's not dewy. I mean, I have a bit of luminosity, but like, I think that might be from that Illuminating primer. This is the Catwalk Concealer. And this is in the shade Light. It's like a wand. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that underneath. It's like a lip gloss wand, which it's not that great honestly. Like the wand isn't picking up that much product. I prefer a doe foot applicator like Shape Tape because it gives you the product you need. So I just dipped it all the way in. So we've got a lot of product, which is what I probably need. Take my beauty blender and blend that concealer in. Yeah, it's nice, it's hydrating, it's definitely hydrating, like it's not drying at all. I feel like it gave me a little bit more luminosity and it did highlight my face, which is what I want. Let's grab my beauty blender, it's still a little bit damp and I'm going to actually bake the undersides of the face with it. Like, I do this all the time to make my contour pop when I do my contour. And it gives that area like a really smooth finish. And because I don't have pressed powder, I'm just going to set the entire face. Take my Eco Tools brush and like brush off the stuff from the forehead because I don't want that sitting on there for too long. So I don't want to look too powdery. It's okay, but this setting powder I'm not liking too much. I feel like it's leaving my skin a bit too patchy. And like, I just prefer my other foundation, like it's leaving pigment on my skin and making it look yellow. Honestly, I'm so impressed with my brows. And I'm going to be using the W7 in the Nude palette. This reminds me of the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. What the palette looks like came with a brush. It's really nice. There are 12 shades, and I'm going to just take this shade, the shade Latte. I'm just gloss that on all over my lid to create like a nice base. This is the shade Marilyn. Yeah, nice transition. And it's like a nice like mauve colour. I'm going with this shade. This is called Alice. Ooh, oh my god, it smells like grape. That's so nice. I'm now gonna go in with like a shimmer shade. My Sigma brush, which I always use for the shimmer shade. I'm gonna use a bit of Fix Plus. Actually, I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade, which is called Bad Manners. Press it onto your lid. Even with Fix Plus, it's hard to get like that shimmer that I want. So I'm getting now. I'm gonna spray a bit more Fix Plus. And like just pop it on the lid. I'm gonna take this little small flat shader brush called Mudslide, this one here. I'm gonna take that same brush and like the fluffy brush and just blend it a bit more. There's quite a bit of fallout. I'm gonna dust that away because I don't want it to stain my face. So to be honest, with this palette, like a lot of the shades are very similar. They kind of just like mold together. Like it just seems like it's just one shade. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with this dark eggplant shade, and this is called Fashionista. Like the darkest shade in the palette, but it's a shimmer shade. I'm gonna add an inner corner highlight. I'm gonna take this little brush, it's like a bullet brush. I'm going to take this shade called Angel, and I'm going to just take that, add it to the inner corner. Yeah, so that is that palette done. First of all, like the color scheme in it is pretty basic. Marilyn and Alice are like almost exactly the same. The look turned out okay. I'm not too happy with it though. There was a bit of fallout. I had to brush it off here, but it did actually stain a bit on my face. Get a liquid eyeliner. This is the W7 liquid eyeliner. It's definitely a flop. It also feels like it's burning my lid, which I don't like at all. And the wand is just way too thick. So it's the eyeliner and it's really thick. I'm gonna put on lashes today. I actually couldn't find any lashes from W7. I don't know if they do them. I'm gonna just curl my eyelashes. And I'm actually gonna go in with a mascara by them. This is called the W7 Souffle. I'm now going to go in with the bronzer, and it's called the Honolulu Bronzer. Now I thought, what does this remind you of? Honolulu. What you playing at W7? Cooler by Benefit, Honolulu. This is a mini size, but like the packaging's pretty similar, like the box. Isn't that funny? Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. The shade like even looks pretty similar, and the brush is a little brush that like the Benefit one came with. We might have a dupe here for the Hoola bronzer. Look, the Hoola one is a little bit lighter. Really nice bronzing shade. A lot of pigment on there. Wipe a bit of that off. This blush called the Cheeky Flusher. The packaging I thought looks a lot like the NARS Laguna. Here's the cheeky flusher. As you can see, the packaging is like very similar. Almost like the same component. It has a mirror in it as well. I thought it looked kind of like Orgasm by NARS. Oh my god, it really does. I think this is like a dupe. That's really nice. I like that one. And I got like a lip kit from W7. This is a matte duo set, and it comes with like a lip liner and also a liquid lipstick. For $4.99 you get a liner and a liquid lip. That's pretty good. And it's called the Double Dip Skinny Lipping. Skinny Lipping. No, okay. I'm pretty excited because this shade looks bomb. Lip liner in champagne, and look at that. What does that look like? See the drips? W7 coming for ya. You can see it's cracked, like it's like kind of cracked and stuff inside. I'm gonna go ahead with this liner. Oh, it just broke. It just snapped off. Okay, the applicator's weird. I really don't like applicators like this. Like, it's just so long. Like, anyways. I'm pretty impressed with how the look has turned out so far. I also need to go in with a highlighter. This is the Glowcomotion. When I asked my friends, have you heard of anything good from W7? And they're like, yes, Glowcomotion, you have to try it out. I'm gonna go into this highlighter. I like to add some to my Cupid's bow. I'm really liking this highlighter and I'm impressed with it. I take this little Morphe fan brush. Out of the whole look, my brows are on fleek. Over that. There we go. I'm going in with a setting spray. The only setting spray I have is this little one, and that's the only one I saw. Pretty small for a setting spray, but it's good for traveling. This is called the Fixer. It's not good. So that is the completed look that I did. This entire look using all W7 products. I'm pretty impressed with the end result. If you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell button, make it ring. So you know I post one new video every week, rain or shine, I will post one video every single week. I'm also doing a giveaway soon, and all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!